Okay, packing video for Scotland. Here we go. Toiletries, of course. Pajamas, underthings, scarves. I have a heavier cable knit. I have my Mischief Managed because I'm going to Scotland. You got to have some Harry Potter in there. And then my lightweight cotton Africa scarf for lighter days. Like I said, pajamas. I've got 2 pair of shoes. My Ariat riding boots because I am riding horses this trip. I'll wear my nice walking shoes on the plane. Nice black flats. Toiletries. I've got 3 converter plugs. Not because I'm going to need 3, but because just in case some of my clients did not bring one or need one, I have an extra. I've got my Aunt Franny's mosquito wipes. This is especially good for the midges in Scotland. We are going at the end of August, but just in case. My computer, of course, because I will still be working. I will have the business cards of the general managers of the hotels where we're staying because they are all preferred partner hotels. Then I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of pants. Jeans, of course. These are riding breeches for my rides that I'm doing. A nice pair of black dress slacks. And then 2 lighter weight khakis, Columbia type pants because I don't get cold very easily. I have a lightweight sweater, a vest, a couple of nice blouses. This is a pretty bulky sweater, so I may wear it on the plane. And then a couple of other long sleeve type shirts. Now, we are going to have laundry service, so this is an 11-day trip. On day 6 or so, we will have laundry to be able to wash whatever we need to wash and make it through to the end of the trip. So stand by. You can see the book bag. This is all my toiletries. They're in there. The chargers are down there because I definitely don't want to be separated from those. I've got my plain snacks at the top of my bag. And on the other side over here that you can't see, chargers and first aid kits, things like that. Left side of the carry-on, my riding boots, my black flats, 1 scarf, my pajamas, riding breeches, and nice slacks rolled up. Africa scarf is going to go on here. And then my bigger green scarf will go right there. And that takes care of the left side of the carry-on. Second side has the other pair of pants, all of the blouses, and the packing cube with all of my undergarments in there. This bigger sweater is not going to fit, so it is what I will wear on the plane. So we'll close this bag on up, flip it over, turn it around, and we will click it shut and head to Scotland. All packed up and ready to go.